Hi, it's Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for clicking on this video. Today is Saturday and it's like my free day, so I want to take out at least 2 to 3 hours to declutter my father's room and just put things in order, because really we moved in here quite recently, and so far the other rooms, my room is set, my family room is also set, but his bedroom seems to have just been upside down, and he has been living inside of his room like this since he moved to this new place. And I decided that one of the days when he goes out, I'm going to actually get to arrange his room, because truly if I leave him in his room like this, he's going to stay in this room like this forever without even trying to adjust anything to put things in place, because all through the week he has been at home all day. If he wanted to actually try and arrange things in his room, he would have done that, but he hasn't done it. So I'm just going to start now to try and declutter the room and put things in their proper places so that the room looks a bit more organized. So guys, if you want to see me arrange this room and put things properly where they ought to be, so that the room has more space and is able to have more like an area where you could sit back and, like, you know, watch TV in his room, and, you know, be able to walk around freely without there being so much clutter in the large space that the room has. So guys, if you want to see how I go about doing this and the end of how the room is going to look, then keep on watching this video. And please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel, liking this video. Guys, please like this video. You guys have to show YouTube that this is a video you really want to watch, so click on the like button right below, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. So guys, let's get right into it. I just checked his wardrobe and I noticed that there's actually a lot of space. His wardrobe is literally empty. I can put most of this, you can see the wardrobe is empty. Even this one here is not well utilized. I can put most of this stuffs on the floor here inside of his wardrobe, so it doesn't have to be sitting on the ground. So that's what I'm going to try to do right now. Guys, I'm just about to start with decluttering, so you guys should just encourage me, be sharing me on in this video, because man, there's a lot of work here. There's really so much work to do here, but I'm gonna start right now. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel while I declutter this room. So I took this out so the clothes can just stand on their own. I'm just happy now at least the hangers are out of here. Next, it's time to start putting this in various places. So I put things here. this box somewhere around here for now. As you can see, this area here is clearing up. I still have so much clutter to take off from this side here, and also arranging that wardrobe over there, and of course the bed. Let's get to work, guys. Okay guys, we're making progress, but we still have a long way to go. Able to arrange this area here so there's less clutter, and I made the bed. I'm just trying to clean up the floor while I try and decide. I really don't know what to do with this chair. To throw the chair out. Should I put the chair right here, this area here, just in front of the bed? This chair here. He can also sit in front and watch TV in his room without feeling like his room is too cluttered or too congested. This chair is literally almost dead. I need to transitional. Or do I throw this chair out? Air condition is expensive. I haven't been able to get one for his room. So I'm just going to put this flower here to kind of take the attention off of that area. It seems like the depot. So they just hang over there to kind of cover up that thing. It seems like he might not even be able to sit here. So this area here is just being filled out by this chair. What do I do? Leave it here or put it in front of here? I really don't know right now. Like I'm just, while it was here, it seems a bit cluttered. This is all of the dirt that I took out of his room, and now I'm actually done with arranging his room. All I need to do right now is just to mop the floor, and I'm done. Like, that's taking me almost 2 hours to do, but I'm really glad I did it because now the room looks so much better. Let me show you guys what I'm saying. So this is what the room looks like right now. I've not covered up that stuff back with the yellow stuff that normally covers it, but right now at least it has more space you can move around. I'll just clean up the floors, and then I'll show you guys the final look of how the room looks. Yeah, I'm happy I did this, though it really stressed me, but I'm just glad I did this. Please, I won't be angry anymore. I enter into this room. Okay guys, yeah, I'm almost done. The reason why it has to have that this cushion here on his bed is because it has he's beginning to have water retention on his leg, so most times if he wants to lie down, he has to put his leg on this right here so that his leg doesn't start to swell. I think that's just the thing with old age and having various health conditions, and then having to rely so much on all sorts of drugs and whatnot. Anyways guys, when you are young, I think I should also be telling this to myself, when you are young, avoid sugary drinks, avoid alcohol, avoid smoking, avoid that gangster life, so at least when you're older you have good health. You're not spending so much on your health, like on your medications and whatever. And just make sure you take care of yourself when you're young, guys. And I'll show you the finished look of this room when I'm done cleaning the floor and when NEPA has brought the light, because it took the light and we don't have lights right now. Yeah, so stay tuned, and if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is the finished look of the room. I'm done decluttering the room and arranging the things. This is why I ended up putting the chair and that little table over there, so he could sit on the chair and watch TV if he wants to, and lay on the bed while he rests his leg on this cushion here. So this is how the room looks, and over here he can take his medications easy while he's sitting down, check his heart temperature, deep blood pressure or something. Yeah, you can check it while it's on from his bed. You know, I just try to really organize things up, and his wardrobe, I just cleared out everything here, so at least he has more space to move around and, you know, really have fun while he's in his room. Yeah. So guys, if you watched, if you enjoyed, so guys, if you liked the fact that I made the efforts to ensure that my dad is comfortable in his room, make sure you like this video and please subscribe to my channel. And this is also to inspire you also to strive towards ensuring that your parents are also comfortable in their old age. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remember to be bold and have courage, guys. Live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios. Daddy is going to be very, very surprised when he comes back and opens his room. Like, he's going to be surprised, like, is this the same room I left that was filled with clutter? He's going to be so surprised. But anyways, guys, I'm happy I did this. It stressed me, but I'm happy I did it.